있어.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Philadelphia Police Department. At 7:43 p.m., several terrorists are taking hostages in the Hilton Garden Inn in downtown. It is believed that they took 13 hostages in the hotel. All residents within a 1-mile radius of downtown Philadelphia should stay indoors and lock all doors and windows. Stay tuned for more information. Emergency update. The terrorists have threatened to detonate a nuclear bomb in the hotel that will destroy the city, if their demands are not met. Get ready to get in your shelters. Emergency update. The terrorists have detonated the bomb and destroyed the entire downtown area. Residents within a 95-mile radius of Philadelphia seek a fallout shelter now.